Welcome to our tutorial on mastering the reset function on the Nikon Z50. Imagine you're in the midst of capturing a thrilling moment, but your camera settings aren't aligned with the fast-paced action unfolding before you. Despite your attempts to tweak settings on the fly, the moment slips away, leaving you frustrated and longing for a quick solution. In such moments, a swift reset can serve as your saving grace, restoring your camera to its default state. Learning how to perform a reset on your camera can help address these challenges effectively. First, ensure your camera is powered on. Then, locate and press the menu button to access the camera menu. Navigate to the Setup menu using the directional pad. Scroll down until you find the Reset All Settings option. Press the OK button to enter the Reset submenu. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Press Yes to proceed with the reset. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Nikon Z50 camera.